Asia Central South Regional Director, Sir Jackie Lim. Thank you for being here. And of course, our Philippine General Manager, Sir James Chong. Thank you for your presence. And glad po akong kinabahan. Why? Because my grand and mommy coach is also here. Coach Raymond and Mami Teresa. And of course, the founder of JDT team is also here, Ms. Faye Tan Herdosa. And of course, it's my honor and privilege to thank Uriwa International for having me here today. Thank you for the chance. Before I start my topic, let me introduce myself first. Or let me give you my brief background, why I am here in Zimbabwe. Before, just like you, I am just an employee. I am a registered nurse by profession, but worked as an accounting staff for 5 years in a construction firm company in Quezon City. That time, of course, I'm single. I am not yet married. But, na nag-asawa na po ako, reality hits. And I gave birth to my son. Oh, expenses is piling up. So, being a nurse, working in a construction firm, I realized I need to earn a lot of money. So, I decided to plan to go abroad. After 5 years of being employed in the company, I resigned. Because I think going abroad or working abroad can give me a greener pasture. But thankfully, after 6 months of working in a tertiary hospital in Quezon City, my old friend tapped my shoulder and invited me in an event. Her name is Tita Vanji Balico. Kindly give her a round. I call her my angel, my mother. You know, that time, I am very hesitant. Ask me why. Why? Because Tita Vanji offers a lot of direct selling company that time. Sorry. just telling my story. So, I never entertained all her texts, all her messages, but I think really distant to me. Because one day, when Tita Vanji invites me, I immediately say yes. Ask me why. Why? Because she told me that I will treat you to a buffet. Anyone who invite for a buffet here? Then, Tita Vanji told me, pwede kang magsama ng mga kaibigan mo. Ititreat ko din sila. So I'm very excited that time. Wow! Mayaman na si Tita Vanji. Papakainin ka din sa buffet. Then I told my friends, huwag tayo magme-merienda ngayon, ha? Dapat empty stomach so we can maximize the food in the buffet, right? Yes. Can you relate? Yes. Yes, right? Oh, that time, so I'm very excited. Tita, wala pa po akong sasakyan that time. I think taxi lang kami. And I told Tita Vanji, Tita, we are 7. Is your budget okay? Or may budget ka ba? You know, yes, can. Okay. Tita, wala akong pambayad sa taxi. So, inabangan niya kami sa labas ng MOA. Siya po ang nagbayad ng taxi namin. Wala pa kalaki si Tita Banji. And nagmamadali na si Tita, nagmamadali kasi nagbabayad po ng taxi eh. So, nagbayad na siya. Okay. Then we were shocked. Why? Because yung office po, din sa counter, puno siya ng tao. And may nakaset up na buffet. I think dapat doon kami didiretso, right? Kasi buffet. Pero ang ginawa ni Tita, galing po na kayo dito sa training room. Opo na kayo na kasi naka-reserve na upuan niyo. Can you relate with that? Yes. Then that time, sabi ng mga kasama ko, kaya ko ba, kakain muna tayo, gutom na kami. Sabi ko, it's okay, later you are served. Okay, then, I follow Tita Banji. I still remember we are seated at the third row of that training center. Training room. Then, all my friends waited for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, while there are people who are discussing, their person who are discussing, I think leadership, OPP. OPP is that time OPP, yeah. Then, sabi na ang lang dito ko friends, we can't wait anymore. We're so hungry. Okay. Okay lang daw ba na umalis na sila? Siyempre, hindi ko naman sila mapigilan. At that time, they are very disappointed. Not kay Tita Banji, basta ako. Kasi ako ang nag-invite, diba? So, siyempre sa kahiyaan nila, I stayed there. Both my friend and I stayed there. We're the only one who stayed there, and 5 left to take their dinner outside the office. Then what happened was, the entire presentation, I didn't understand a thing. Why? Ask me why? Gutom kami. Wala kaming food eh. So can you think our brain will function well? Of course not. So now, when I ask you today, are you full?
Yes!
Now, I think this is the time na makikinig kayo sa akin, right? Kasi busog kayo. You don't have any reason to use your cell phone. Just turn it into a silent mode. Can?
Can.
Okay. And, syempre, I am very disappointed kay Tita Banji, right? Hindi ko po sinagot ang tawag niya, ang text niya for 2 weeks. But after 2 weeks, Tita Banji again texted me. Babawi ako pa rin. Balik ka sa office, babawi ako. And sabi niya, babawi. So, syempre, we need to give her a chance. I gave her a chance. Then, Tita, wala akong pang-taxi ha. Hindi ako pwede mag-grab, kasi before, wala pa lang makangkas. Hindi ako pwede mag-commute. Kasi masakit ang paa ko, lagi ako naglalakad. Okay, sabi ko, okay na, ako na magbabayad sa taxi mo. Mag-taxi ka na lang. Just bring your friends. Do you think I bring my friends? No. Kasi, baka na naman hindi na naging makakain. Ako na naman ang nasisi. So, ang ginawa ko, I just go there alone. So, ayan na. Sabi, tinitingnan ko muna kung may pag-sabi ko. Yung nakita ko yung office, sabi ko na nga ba buti na lang talaga, hindi ko sinama yung mga friends ko. Kasi walang naka-set up ng buffet. Sabi ko talaga si Tita, ay nako, pero okay na, I will listen na lang, kasi andito naman na lang ako. Pero, nakita ko itong young lady, nagsasalita siya sa gitna, tapos marami niyang leaders surrounds her. Parang mga, siguro ilang table yun. Basta marami sila, mga 20 plus. Tapos, sabi ni Tita Banji, halika dito kayo, nag-discuss daw. I saw this young lady talking, very inspiring. Her name is Ate Josmonte. Please give her a round. Oh, that day, I dreamed to be like her. Ask me why.
Why?
Imagine, that time, yung whole crowd na yun, pinakain niya po kaming lahat with her own expense. Palakpakan po natin sa atin. And we found out it's her birthday. It's June 12 of 2018. At 2017. Palakpakan po natin sa atin. Ayan. Actually, her words were very inspiring and all her experiences hits me. She is actually a nurse by profession like me. So I thought, oh, maybe I can make this a side hustle. And soon, I will become successful. I can treat my friends like this. Imagine, that's my vision. In due time, I want to be like this young lady. That's my vision before. That's my dream. And that time, I was so happy and amazed. And I told Tita Vanji, Tita, how much nga po yung product niyo? Then when Tita Vanji told me the price, what? No, Tita, I only have 20,000 savings in my account. I can't even buy a bottle of that. But that time, I only have 20,000, right? But that time, the one bottle is 19,260. So sabi ko, even I do not use my savings, I can use my credit card. Because that time, I only have East-West credit card that has 20,000 credit limit. Can you relate? Can you relate? Okay. So, when Tita Vanji told me the price, actually, I felt very hesitant. But, thanks God, she has a friend by the name of Tita Yaga Gonzalez, the general's wife. Tita Yaga gifted me a free account. Can you give Tita Yaga? Wow. Diyan po nagsimula ang kwento ko sa Riway. Siyempre, imagine that amount, 125,000 that time. Sabi ko, grabe, kahit pumunta ako, kahit pagbalik-balik tuloy ako sa pagiging employment, di ako makakasave ng ganito, 125,000. So, ask me kung ano naging decision ko. Ask me. What? I decided po to resign in a tertiary hospital. Hindi na po ako pumasok. Actually, hindi ako nag-resign, parang hindi na ako pumasok. And I decided to do this Riway business full time. I am so happy because that month has an event in Singapore and Tita Vanji is the one who brought me to Singapore for Leaders Recognition Night. Palakpakan mo natin. So, super ang ganda. Alam niyo po ba, sa Leaders Recognition Night, may, no, it's not Leaders Recognition Night, it's gala. Gala night. Ang gala night po ng company, anniversary gala night, there's a lot of food. And I still remember 20,000 attendees having a new spoon, new set of plates, chopsticks, and how many tables? It was 20,000 attendees. And I was amazed kasi lahat po na kinakain namin, mainit pa. Imagine sabi ko, grabe itong company na to. How come na lahat kami sabay-sabay nakakakain in every table, tapos lahat may yung maliit na chicken, maliit na, ang tawag din cochinelo ba sa atin? May lechon. Every table, sa 20,000, merong 2,000 na gano'n mga food, may mga diba? Basta mga mamahaling food. Kasi that time, hindi naman ako sanay sa mga ganung mga pagkain. Pero grabe, para ma-serve ng company yung ganung ka-crowd, I told myself, this is the company that I want to do. And this is the start of my journey. But before, honestly, before we're just renting a small studio type apartment in Camñas, Quezon City, na pagpasok mo lang po ng bahay, pagpasok mo, I still remember vividly, CR na po siya agad. When you turn left, you will see the pantry, yung kusina. And when you turn right, nandiyan na po agad yung bed namin. And sala na po yung gitna. Super liit lang niya. I stayed there for almost 5 years when I was employed. But, thanks God, there's a leeway who turned my life with 180 degrees. Right now, from that small studio type apartment, now, thanks God, we have our own house and lot in San Mateo, Rizal. From a bicycle that we're having before. It's just a gift from our boss in corporate work. Now, we can drive a car on our own. Thank you. I can say that Freeway became the instrument why I am living a comfortable life today. And I want all of you to see the platform that Freeway has, the topics that I am going to share with you today.
Hindi pa lang yun. 17 minutes.
Doing business is not that easy. It's not that easy. You will encounter a lot of struggles, a lot of problems along the way. And while building the team, the more people you have, the more issues and the more quarrels that you're going to encounter.
True.
But bear in mind, what is the purpose? What's your purpose of doing D-Way in the first place? Looking back, di ka po talaga mag-give up. Kasi marami kang teams na kailangan mong matulungan. And being a D-Way person is having a right attitude. Attitude is the most important we're going to consider in doing a business. And sharing with you the platform of Leeway, we have to consider these 4 elements. We need to choose a correct business partner having this. First element is profession. It refers to a person's drive, determination, and dedication to succeed professionally. What is it? What does that mean? Profession meaning you need to find a partner who has a career-oriented attitude. Can you say it? Career-oriented attitude. Okay, career-driven. Career-driven.
Career-driven.
Finding a correct business partner, this is very crucial.
True.
Why? Because that partner must be, career is his top priority. How can we say that career is our top priority?
Profession ba? Dapat professional.
Maybe we can say,
Hindi professional.
of course, I'm a career-driven.
A professional.
It's easy to say that.
It refers to a
But how can you
person's
prove it?
Kaya nga.
Professional is person.
Okay.
When I say
Professional.
career-driven,
Anong topic niya?
example,
Attitude ng sinabi.
Myself.
Hindi makaintindihan ko ng attitude.
before I decided
Hindi
to
lang babasa ng
go
poster.
abroad to work there, to give my family a comfortable life. To
A
leave my
platform,
family
a
behind in
platform.
the Philippines just to earn
With a kitchen
money
menu.
so I can send to the Philippines and give my family a comfortable life.
Wow. Ito maganda sa
Iiwan
ano
mo ang
natin.
pamilya mo
Kabisihan
para
ba?
lang kumita ng pera sa Pilipinas. Iiwan mo sa Pilipinas para lang kumita ng pera. It's career-driven. But, a lot of people who are working abroad, karamihan po sa kanila is broken family. Kasi dapat, pagka may asawa ka na, may pamilya ka na, dapat kasama mo ang pamilya mo.
Right.
Hindi ka pwede
Ito na yung
lumabas
pack
ng
pala.
bansa.
Hindi ko makakain.
Pero bakit tinitiis nila yung
Sorry.
pagod? Tinitiis nila yung hirap, yung sakit na mawalay sa pamilya. Just to earn money. And, once they earn money, pagka may pera na tayo, we're planning to what? To put a business, right? And having a business, pag may negosyo na tayo,
Isa-isa tayo.
hindi po natin sigurado. Honestly, I need to confess myself. Having money, having a capital, I have, nag-decide po ako na mag-put up ng aesthetic spa. Called MK Beauty Lounge. My capital is 1 million.
True.
But
Why not?
in just 6 months doing that business, wala po akong kinita.
Yung akin nga doon.
Sobrang
Natatawa
sobrang
na
sabi
lang
ko,
ako.
akala ko ba yung mga ganitong negosyo talagang mag-e-excel sa market? Wala po. Second time, another one. I invested another 1 million to be a regional franchise of Kangkong Chips in Bicol. Another 1 million. But what happened? Wala. Para po yung pera,
Dami palang pera eh.
naglaho lang na parang wala.
Millions pala eh.
You see how important the platform is?
Go next.
Kasi, dapat, in doing a business, platform is very important. Just like in every aspect of life, we use platform actually. Just like in politics, di ba may plataforma sila ng gobyerno, the agenda. They have platform for them to be able to be elected, right? Sabi ng isang politician, pag ako binoto nyo, ipapasimento ko lahat ng kalsada nyo.
Namukha niyo.
Mukha
Pati yung
niyo.
mga far-flung areas, simento nyo yan lahat. Yun ang promise. Kasi yun ang platforma, the agenda niya. May platform siya. So do you think that politics will be elected?
Yeah.
Of course not, because he has a clear platform. And of course, yes, because he has a clear platform. Same as in doing our business. Platform is the most important P. In our 6 P's, leaders, we have 6 P's, right? The most important among the 6 P's is platform. Bakit? Because that is the foundation, the backbone, even ourselves. We have the backbone. That's why we can stand straight. Without backbone, wala. Talagang malulupay-pay ka. That is how important foundation is. And doing business here in Leeway, we have also the platform. That's why Leeway is very successful for 18 years because of the platform Leeway has. Palakpakan natin ng Leeway. What are the platform of Leeway? First, we have a very great product. In that product has its own platform. We have these unbeatable technologies. That's why the product is very effective. Until now, no one's beat the Rolls Royce of nutritional supplement, Pure Care Placenta. Palakpakan din natin. And when it comes to marketing, Leeway don't hire a lot of celebrities just to promote their product.
Yeah.
Leeway don't use internet platform just to promote their product. Very unique. Why? Because Leeway invested a lot of money to train leaders like this. Palakpakan po natin yung mga sarili natin. Leeway invested millions to all the leaders to be so successful so that we can help a lot of Filipinos all over the world. Not only Filipinos, but international. Palakpakan po natin. And what are the other ones? Plan, people, procedure, platform. Yan po ang sandigan niya. Lahat ng 5 P's, ang sandigan nun is ang platform na meron ang company natin. Imagine, we're in the Philippines, but we can do this business international.
Yes.
We can do this business even though we are here in the Philippines. And we are not earning Philippine peso. We are earning
Singapore dollar.
Singaporean dollar. Palakpakan niyo po yan. At the same time, ang Leeway po is not using those yung paguda in Tagalog. We're not using check for our earnings, right? Every 24 hours, Leeway give us our commission. Am I right?
Yes.
Every day. That's the platform company. Very unique. Third one. Our dreams of having cars, having houses, a lot of savings, golds. Sometimes if you have a lot of money, you want to have Botox, mga nagparetoke ka na. Lahat ginawa mo na. But, little did you realize that the most important investment that you can have is your
Study.
health.
Health.
That is your platform.
Mga
Your
Pegasus.
health.
Mayaman.
Because
Pegasus talaga.
if you are
Ilang
healthy,
bilyon naman.
you can do
10 million na ba
everything
yung
in your
kuya?
power to have that possession. Because you are healthy. When we are little kids, di ba, ang foundation natin, sabi ng teacher natin, mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Tuwing umaga.
Kanta pa.
Bata pa tayo, minayset na tayo ng mga teachers natin na ang health is very important. That's why, lagi naka-accompany every hands forward. O ano pang mga sayaw-sayaw ang ginagawa natin for us to be healthy and active in school. Pero habang tumatanda na tayo, we put everything to ourselves. Bagong cellphone, condo units, kung ano-anong mga kayamanan na na-acquire natin. Pero na-overlook natin ang mismong pinaka-important foundation, which is our body, our health. And that's why Leeway International is reminding us, every leaders who are present here, to look after yourself. Be healthy.
Tabo na rin.
Use your cheer. Congratulations.
Galing.
Use your cheer. All-rounded supplement na siya. But, as you can see, having business is not that easy. You need to focus. You need to be disciplined. You need to have a right attitude for that to be successful. And the second one is you must have capacity. What capacity means? It refers to the volume or size of a physical object. It can also mean the number of units a space or object can accommodate. It is a measure of storage or capacity. That's the definition of capacity. But in Liwei, having a capacity meaning what? Having a capacity, you must have to be open-minded. You must have to be a broad-minded person. Bawal dito ang leader na narrow-minded. Kung narrow-minded leader, for sure, hindi siya lalago. Dapat marunong siya, malawak ang kanyang pangunawa sa lahat ng leaders niya down. Hindi siya nagpapadala sa maliliit lang na arguments. Minsan mag-whining na tayo, example. No. Dapat, every time that our leader be wronged, just tap her shoulder and say, it's okay, better luck next time. We can do better next time. Dapat you are the one being positive so that all of your team will be positive. Because if you are a leader that always negative-minded and you have the self-pity lagi, I think your team will not grow. And you are not welcome in this industry. You need to change that for you to be welcome in this industry, right? Can you get me wrong? Can you relate? Yes. Okay, thank you. Meaning, having this capacity is malawak ang pangunawa natin. Kasi, ang mga business partners natin, we need to build a deeper relationship with them. Kasi, sila po ang makakasama natin, God willing, lifetime while we are here in Liwei. Thank you so much. And of course, when I say having that capacity, always remember, your heart dapat is big as the ocean. How can you do that? How can you do that? Pag sinabi ko dapat, mas kasing laki ang puso mo ng karagatan. Because if that happens, if your heart is as big as the ocean, as what my mommy coach is always telling me, mind you will become the top leader here in Liwei. And of course, we have the third element that we must consider, having a correct business partner in Liwei. The third one is ambition, being ambitious. What does it mean? Ambition, by definition, it refers to a wish, ambition, or grand goal, or an ideal state of being. It is the noble desire in people's heart, a source of strength, a driving force for progress, and the hope that gives life meaning. What does it mean? Ambition meaning, don't be contented of what you are now. Example, you are 1 star now, aim to be 1 step higher to become 2 star. But, mind you, if we have a guest here, if you see lady or leader in black and you tap her and ask her, ma'am, what's your rank? Oh, I'm 1 star. And then ask her, oh, how much is your income? Don't you know that that person who is a 1 star is earning like a bank manager in the corporate world? If that person who besides you tell you, oh ma'am, I'm 2 star, wow, congratulations. That leader is earning 250,000 a month.
True lala.
Uy, ayaw mo ng 200,000. Okay, when you tap the shoulder of that person in front of you and ask, "Ma'am, what's your rank here in this company?" "Oh, ma'am, I'm 3-star. What do you do? Anong ginagawa mo sa buhay?" "Ay, I'm a housewife, ma'am, but I'm a 3-star. Congratulations, Ms. Zach Gaudines. 3-star! Earning $500,000. Kaya pakakit natin. Imagine, this industry, so easy. Really make it simplest and easiest. We can do everything in our power to do this company, to do this freeway platform. And being an ambitious means, I remember one of my leaders, very mabinta sa akin si Seta. Itong leader ko na to, narinig ko sa office, sa living office. Sabi niya, there are 3 C's of life. What are they? Choices, chances, and changes. According to this leader, you need to have a choice. Do you have a choice?
Yeah.
For you to have a chance. Do you have a chance?
Yes.
Or your life will never change. It's not your position that will shape your future, but your decision today.
Your decision.
Yes, corporate world is good. Being employed is good. Self-employed, all of those 4 quadrants is good. But when I ask you today, nasasapatan po ba ang kinikita nyo, yung lahat ng expenses nyo, and can you provide good finances to your family? Can you? If you say no, then maybe we should look at Freeway International.
Yeah.
Because if way back 7 years ago, I'm just contented being unemployed, being work in a corporate world, maybe today I'm still that Karen who is nobody, who is still living in the studio type apartment, who still have a bicycle every time he goes to office. Maybe that's still me. But because I give chance to this freeway platform, I am carrying value today. I am that somebody whom I can call. Somehow, I am one step higher to be successful. So I dare you, ladies and gentlemen, aim high. Mangarap po tayo ng mataas. Bakit? Sabi nga po ng isang Makata, kung hindi mo tatrabahuin ang pangarap mo ngayon, babayaran ka ng iba para trabahuin ang pangarap nila. You see? Lahat ng yun mag-fall in one decision that you are going to decide today.
Yes.
Mangangarap ka na lang din, taasan mo na. Kung lumagpa ka man, still, may mararating ka. Kaysa mangarap ka na magsilipas lang ng mas magandang bahay, pero magrerenta ka pa rin, useless. Aim high! Dream high! Leaders, ladies and gentlemen, take a look at our company. I dare you. Someday, you will thank me doing this freeway platform. The fourth one that we need to consider doing or having a correct business partner is the 4 elements. This is the last element actually. Being righteous. Say righteous.
Righteous.
Righteous. Or having an integrity. Say integrity. By definition, righteous refers to a person of upright character. Someone who is disciplined, serious in conduct, and behaves in accordance with moral standards. That's the definition of being righteous. Or, para mas mabilis natin maintindihan, being righteous or having an integrity means kahit walang nakakakita sa'yo, you are doing the right way. May nakakakita o may wala, you are doing the right way. That is the integrity that our boss, Mr. Lim Yun Hong, teach us. Palatakan po natin si boss. Having the integrity, meaning, according to him, if you set the mind right, the whole world will be right.
You set the man right.
Do you agree?
The whole
That's
world
from
will
our
be
boss.
right.
And imagine, way back then, way back 2008, when we are starting, we have no departments. Wala tayong mga iba-ibang departments. But today, we have 7 different departments that are our backbone of this company. We have the operation, the finance, the establishment, marketing, we have the compliance department, training department, and development department. Imagine, we have 7 departments.
Maximize lahat
And
ng
that 7
compliance.
departments, mind you, all of that governs with a platform of Relay International. That is the backbone of our company. Before, we just present in Singapore. But right now, look, Relay International is present in 4 regions. What are they? We have in South Asia, Central South Asia, which is our regional director, Jacqueline, is governing. We have East Asia, and we are already present in Europe. Imagine Europe! I am so thankful to God because I think 2 months ago,
Kapag-Europe na.
our Team Supreme Pegasus Space Cardosa, doon po niya kami dinala sa Europe. Palakpakan po natin si Miss Faith. Doon po kami nag-conduct ng top leaders meeting. Europe. Dati po, kaya ako talaga nag-nurse, pangarap ko mag-abroad. Pero honestly, ngayon po, in a month, not twice, not thrice, sometimes 4 times we go abroad because of Relay's platform. Our company starts from a humble beginning in Singapore. As you can see, the wall, yung wall ko, nakikita niyo po yung wall. Di ba may Relay logo? Alam niyo po ba na ang ating boss ang nag-design lang yan? Walang pa ako natin si boss. Can you see? And can you see the squares? Big and small squares? At the right side? Yan po is ginupit-gupit niya lang ng mga bond paper and ginuhit niya ng very delicately and pinate niya. Our boss is an architect also. Palakpakan po natin. In a very small office locating at the 3rd floor ng building na sobrang hirap akyatin. Diyan po tayo
Mag-iwanis ka.
nagsimula.
Sino-sino, mga
Very
dentist ba?
humble beginning.
Grupo
And
ng mga
when you
dentist.
still remember, sinabi din po kanina ng ating general manager,
Nakakatuwa lang.
na si boss
Nakita mo sa
mismo
poster.
ang nagkakat ng
Talaga,
box,
galing. Nagkiwanis ako ng mga
nagkakat
dentist.
ng box, nagpiprepare ng
Wala naman
everything
sarang,
with the
buti ko lang
product.
feeding. Wala bang giting-giting.
Pero sa tingin nyo,
Nakadalawang set pa lang ako.
pwede naman tayo bumili ng boxes, right?
Naka 1 year ka na ba?
Pero bakit si boss? Bakit he dares to be the one who cut it? Who decided
Pero naman nakadalawang
para
set
po may ipakita niya
Sa
sa atin
pinakamalagim,
ngayon
sa
na
pinakamalagim.
before yun ang ginagawa niya. May storya sa likod ng mga pictures na to. Na ngayon, pinagmamalaki natin lahat. That Riwi International, starts from a very humble beginnings. And can you see that one? The large three-way work letters and the logo. That one is made of styrofoam. Styrofoam, once you touch it, it will fall. Can you relate? Pagka nahangin ng masyadong matindi, malalaglag yan. That was also made by our boss. He is the one who designed the entire office by himself. Yan, as you can see po, ayan, siya lahat ang gumagawa before. And I was so amazed with the attitude of our boss. Ask me why? Why? Because don't you know that siya ang boss na hindi niya kailangang sabihin ang gusto niyang ipagawa sa atin. He is the one who first do the action. And all of the leaders, the staff, and management will follow him. That's our boss. Please give our boss Mr. Lim a round of applause. You know, when I'm fighting way back 2022 in my rank, I can say that that time I was hesitant, but because of the leaders that surrounds me, because of my team who supported me, lumakas talaga ang loob ko. And I remember Tita MP Galang, Ate Jess Monte, Tita Banji, they are my superheroes. They are the one who push me and backing me up. Bata ka pa, marami ka pang magagawa. Pero, nang nakita ko na napakaraming Pegasuses ranging from the age of 19 years old to 89 years old, Pegasus na, nanliit po ako sa sarili ko. And I told myself, siguro sa palagay ko, I'm doing enough. I'm doing my best. But sabi nga, my best
It's not enough.
still not enough. But still, I push through. Even though I am bed rest, supposedly for 6 months that time, I have a lot of phone calls, and sometimes, I escape sa bahay. Minsan pag nasa hospital kami, umuwi ako agad. Just to do Riwi. My stomach is aching. I have other excuses to make. But still, I choose to fight. Why? Because in this Riwi platform, I saw how this company value me. I saw that I am so valuable in this company. In other company, kahit ugod-ugod ka na, 30 years ka na kakatrabaho, you are not part of the platform ng kumpanya nila. But here in Riwi, we are not employed. We're just a distributor. But how come we enjoyed all of the platforms that Riwi has? With that, thanks Riwi International. At this moment of time, I can say, I would not be a Team Philip Monoceros of Riwi International if I'm not embodying the Riwi platform. So, leaders, Ladies and gentlemen, don't just stand on Reway's platform. Shape it.